Hello friends, I'm still surprised in shock after 4 days doing this. My tummy fat, I got my body all nice and in shape, all of that bad fat gone. Like, this is so amazing. You want to try, but very quickly, the first thing you need to get before I share with you more benefits is lemon. You need that citric acid from lemon to help your system break fats your system can normally not break. So that is the benefit of citric acid. You see so many people using lemon for fat burning because of the citric acid helping your system to break down fats really fast. So slice up one lemon and set aside. The second ingredient you want to get is beetroot. This cleanses your tummy. Like, this sends you, have you ever drank beetroot smoothie? You immediately go to the restroom. This helps you pass out. You know, the food build up in your system you could not break down. Maybe you eat too much and your system cannot break down that food for you. This helps your system to break it down really fast. You pass out everything, so there is no build up in your system, waste build up causing belly fat, weight gain. That is the essence of beetroot. Plus, this cleanses your organs, heals your skin from the inside. Like, beetroots are very healthy. So this is one small size of beetroot sliced, and you want to set that aside. The next thing I add is rosemary. If you don't have the fresh, you can substitute with the dry rosemary leaves. This is very good at cleansing, making sure every bad stuff is out of your tummy. Waste, toxins, food, like any bad thing will be out. Yeah. The next thing you want to get is some ginger. Half a thumb size of ginger is good. This helps to heat up the system because ginger is thermogenic. It heats up your system to break down fats super fast. Ginger is one of, just like lemon, ginger is one of those powerful ingredients you always want to add in your fat burning recipes, even in your meals. Always add ginger in your meals because they help you break down protein and fats fast. So you want to go ahead and put in your ingredients in the pot: the beetroot, the sliced lemon, rosemary, and your ginger. And go ahead and add in 4 cups of water in the pot. Yeah, and then you take this to your stove and have this to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you start boiling, just 10 to 15 minutes, you're done with boiling this. Yeah, once you boil, this is kind of traditional. It will get all those ingredients infused and you don't have to cook for so long. That is why I say not more than 15 minutes, because if you boil for more than 15 minutes, you will destroy most of the benefits of this ingredient. So make sure it is not more than 15 minutes. You want to use your spoon. So I always use something to mash to get all the ingredients infused in my tea, so it gets really powerful. Like, this gives your tummy a thorough cleanup. This is so powerful. All the fats build up in your system, waste, toxins, this will lead to utmost health as well. So this is the base for our drink. I'll just add in some greens. You know, green vegetable or fruits are very good for cleansing. That chlorophyll helps a lot. So you want to sieve this out, sieve out the tea. If you drink it this way, it is still very powerful, but to make it even more powerful, so it is intense fat burning, I go ahead and add in some apple. So you want to get 1 apple. Apples are very good because they optimize your liver. Yeah, you know, your liver helps you break down. Your liver is what breaks down whatever you eat. So if your liver is not really active, you tend not to break down food. That is how you end up with fat on your body, because your liver is not active. So you want to activate your liver with some apples, and doctors will tell you that an apple is just like them. So, plus green apples help to boost metabolism as well and facilitate fast fat burning. So this is 1 apple. And the very last fruit I add in this recipe, so this is for 2 days. This is for 4 days, sorry, this is for 2 days, and it will be remaining 2 days. So this recipe is for 2 days and it is 4 days. So make sure you watch till the end so you see for the remaining 2 days what I drank for the remaining 2 days to get the results I'm talking about. So you want to blend these two green fruits, apple and cucumber, half a cucumber and 1 apple. So add in 1 cup of water in here to blend this with. So this is 1 cup of water. You want to blend so we can get that green juice to add in that very intense detox fat burning tea we made. Like, this will change your story. You see how you're struggling with health, you are not always sick, you're just not vibrant, no energy, you cannot burn fat because your organs are not working properly. This will activate your system. You will burn fat super fast. You will be so healthy. Your system will be so clean from the inside, leading to a vibrant and healthy looking skin. You will, like, this is so powerful. Plus this raw fish, you don't want to throw this raw fish. You can add in a banana, any fruit, and watch the magic happen. Yeah, so this is it. Add in your green juice in the tea we made with the beetroot, ginger and lemon, and this is it for 2 days. This is what you're drinking for 2 days, morning, bedtime, or for 2 days, and watch the magic happen. So you want 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at bedtime, the next day 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at bedtime. And while you're doing this, please, generally in life, you want to stay away from those foods that are not really healthy. They don't help, they only dump fat in your system. So while you're doing recipes like this, try to be eating healthy. Just eat your food like your beans you cook at home. Eat beans, it breaks down easily. This is the second recipe for day 3 and 4. So you get that complete clean up, like that complete fat burning. Clean up all the fats from your system and get your body all nice and in shape. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to get an apple. So this is an apple. We'll kind of make an apple tea. You know, apple tea helps a lot with promoting fat burning. It boosts your metabolism, activate your system and your liver to in turn burn fat for you super fast. And this is the second very powerful ingredient I use. This is very important. Hibiscus leaves. So this is dry hibiscus leaves. You can get it from any African store, Mexican stores, in the market, or on Amazon. If you can't find these dried hibiscus leaves, ask me and I'll link you up. It is very common. Yeah, you can order from Amazon. Just search for dry hibiscus leaves and it will be delivered at your doorstep, or in the market. It is common. They call it sorrel. It has different names. Yeah. So this is ginger. You want to get some ginger. Have a thumb size of ginger as well, and peel the ginger and chop off. Ginger is thermogenic. I'll always tell you, it heats up the system. Once you drink it, it's like it awakens your system and promotes fast fat burning. So chop up your ginger into tiny little sizes and you're good. So this is it. Set that aside, and now the next thing you want to do is to get your pot. Yeah, this is the pot. You want to put in your 1 cup of dried hibiscus leaves, add in the sliced apple and your half a thumb size of ginger, and add in 6 cups of boiled water. Yes, 6 cups of boiled water. Take it to your stove. Have this to boil for 10 minutes. So if you add hot water, it doesn't take a lot of time for you to boil. When I say this cleanses, this cleans fat out of your stomach, cleans waste. This is so powerful. Yeah, so this is it. Use your spoon to mash and get all the juice out, and voila. Use a sieve to sieve out the tea. So when you mash, you get everything. You see, it is really concentrated now. So make sure you always use a spoon to mash and get all your ingredients infused in the tea. This is so intense. This is so powerful. Yeah, and what I do is I add in some fruits. I add in some lemon and orange juice in the recipe to make it even more powerful. Yeah, so this is it. Squeeze out some lemon and orange and add in the recipe, and just to add in some citrus fruits, because citric acid helps your system to break down fats really fast. Yeah, so this is lemon and orange. So this is basically what you squeeze together and you add in the recipe, and watch that magic happen. So this is it, 1 lemon and 1 orange juice. This increases the strength of the recipe and makes it even more powerful. Yeah, so this is it. Voila. Now the next thing you want to do is to add in the apple hibiscus tea you made, and this makes it so intense. So intense. Give it a good mix, get everything to one consistency, pour in your jar and drink this for 2 days. So the first recipe was 2 days, this is 2 days, making 4 days. After 4 days you will rush back thanking me. You will be shocked with the results. Yeah, go ahead and try this. Watch that belly fat all gone, get your body nice and in shape, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and bye.